Hi everyone, today I will be showing you how to do a parallel park. This is an essential skill to master for your UK driving test, so pay close attention. First, find a suitable space and position your car next to the car in front, with about a meter between. Signal to the left and reverse slowly while checking both mirrors. Once your car's rear tires are aligned with the other cars, turn the wheel to the right and continue reversing. Straighten your wheels and move forward to center your car in the space. And there you have it. Practice makes perfect. So keep at it and you'll nail it in no time. The first step to parallel park is to choose the right spot. Look for a space that's at least 1.5 times the length of your car, and avoid spots on a hill or near a corner. Once you've found a suitable spot, signal that you will be parking and pull up alongside the car in front. Reverse slowly and turn your wheel to the left, allowing your car to slide in next to the other vehicle. When you're finished, straighten out your car, and you're good to go. When parallel parking, ensure you check for traffic in your mirrors and scan for any blind spots, and always ensure you keep both hands on the steering wheel. Positioning is crucial when it comes to parallel parking. Start by positioning your car parallel to the parked vehicles, and ensure you are leaving a door width gap. Practice will help you master this essential driving skill. Final tips to improve parallel parking skills: position car parallel to parked cars. Reverse slowly while checking mirrors. Turn wheel towards curb. Straighten the wheel and continue reversing. Now, before finishing the maneuver, adjust your mirrors and check your surroundings before finally switching off the engine.